Hello friends, Brezziana is here today to show you another video of your choice, that is on canvas. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful background for a flower vase with beautiful flowers on it. So let's get started. Get started with our brush. First of all, we have to squish our brush like this. I have taken number 11 brush. You can also use a big brush like this. It is a flat brush. So let's get started. For this, I am going to grab a little bit of blue and a little bit of white to create a beautiful background. We are going to create a very light texture on the background like this so that the flowers can be easily seen. You can use any color you want. If you use a light tone, it will be better. See how I am doing this. I have used little bit of blue and white so that the flowers appear vibrant. Like this. See how I am doing it. See how the texture is coming up, friends. Isn't it beautiful? See the texture. It is a sky blue, light blue color. You can take this color from any craft store of your choice and make this vibrant painting. Now friends, we are going to stop here and we are also going to take another color if you want. You can also use the blue color in the whole of your canvas, but if you want a separate color, you can also take it. So let me show you how you can do that. I'll show you how to use a different color too. So for this I have taken a little bit of yellow color. I've taken a little bit of yellow color, so I will just grab a little bit of yellow and white on the tip, mix them together to create a beautiful texture like this. I'm just going to create it like this and merge both the colors, that is blue and yellow, give it a fine texture like this. See how it is coming up. Ultimately the green color is also being shown. See how beautiful it is to create such a vibrant color. I'm going to take more of this yellow color and just finish the rest of the part. See, now our color is appearing to be so vibrant and beautiful and creating a bluish, greenish and a yellowish texture. So this is our background for our flower vase, which I am going to show you in my next video The background which I have created, it's simply awesome and beautiful. Can you see this, friends, how beautiful it is and how easy and fun it is to create such a background? And I'm going to use the colors for the flowers which will be very sparkling, and for this I have used sparkling colors, and you'll get the details in the description box, so please check it out.